Remake Learning is a network of over 200 organizations here in the greater Pittsburgh region that support innovative, hands-on, creative learning for kids, both in and out of schools. You know, our education system was built for an industrial age, and we really have moved so far beyond that. We need to prepare kids for an innovation age, for an age where creativity and creative problem solving and collaboration and all of these things are really going to be the paramount essential skills that kids need, and understand that, you know, information that we used to have kids regurgitate is so easily accessible in a pocket. That's what Remake Learning really tries to do, is say, how do we level up educators all across the region and get them to work together and think together and innovate together so that we can really meet today's kids where they are.
We have to make sure we provide opportunities for kids to face adversity and demonstrate tenacity and perseverance, for kids to iterate and make something even better. A really risk-free environment helps catalyze learning and helps students and our youth understand that they can make a difference in whatever world they're living in and whatever problem they encounter.
Learning is fundamentally different today. Kids are seeking identity differently, they're seeking affirmation differently, they're producing and consuming knowledge differently. And so that means all of us, whether we're in a school, a library, a museum, or any other site of learning, needs to fundamentally rethink the spaces in which we learn, our instructional practices, how we're engaging with kids. They're learning in fundamentally different ways, and if we want to prepare them with the knowledge, the skills, and the mindsets to navigate the future, we need to rethink what learning looks like.
All of us have gone to school. Everyone has gone through the educational process for the most part. And so I think that there's this assumption that we know what education looks like and what it should look like and where it's going. And so what Remake Learning Days gives community members, parents, caregivers a chance to do is experience a kind of learning that is so vastly different from what they may have been used to, and a type of learning that I think they're seeing will prepare them for this very uncertain and changing and exciting future.
So today the students will be making mini marshmallow launchers, and they'll be paired with another school district, so teams of 10, 5 from one school and 5 from another, and they'll be trying to see who can design a launcher that will push the marshmallow the farthest or pull it the farthest. So hopefully we'll get some interesting inventions out of this project.
It's important to be part of the network just because we're sharing resources across our community, and it doesn't matter, this event is a great example, it doesn't matter where you live or what school you go to, but we're able to share resources and have a unique opportunity for our students and our families.
It's important to state that Remake Learning would not have become so impactful without the support and leadership of foundations. Fox Chapel Area School District's partnership in Remake Learning, and specifically Remake Learning Days, is just another opportunity to demonstrate that commitment. From Maker Nights, PNC Park community engagement activities, leading Discover Ed with Avonworth, working with after-school partners for evening community STEAM experiences, these are all just examples of what we do on a regular basis, but amped up into a 2-week span of hundreds of events.